Hey, hey, hey. All right. All right. All right. Hey, what's up, Charter fam? Man, this market is going crazy at 68K Bitcoin. I mean, man, it's really been gaining steam. Looking at the actual Bitcoin dominance went up some. It's 57.7%. And we got ETH is actually at 13.6%. So, looking to me like things are happening, but we're just going to have to wait and see. These next couple of months should be interesting. We got Ethereum sitting there. It's going towards 2,700. We're at 2,638 today. So it's looking pretty good. But the actual reason for this video, I was taking a look at my portfolio, and I already actually have it in here. I was actually looking at Hoppy, and Hoppy is just really going crazy. Give me a second here. Got a bunch of shit behind me, guys. Sorry about the mess. Let's see here. And I was looking, and I'm like, wow. Hoppy is really starting to move again. And I'm actually a little upset that I actually sold some of my Hoppy. I sold some of my Hoppy so I can, open up some more positions. But look at Hoppy's chart. Hoppy's chart has just been really just clowning, just for real. Really going crazy. Okay, I'm making sure this is the right contract address. The 6615 are the last four digits. Always look it up on CoinMarketCap before you guys, start looking at these charts, because if you just type it in the deck screener or something like this, if you just come over here to deck screener and let's see what comes up. Hold on. Sometimes when you type in token names, you will get a whole list of okay, my computer's going slow. You'll get a whole list of that token. So you see there's a bunch, and you really don't know which one to choose. See Hoppy, these are different. Hoppy the Frog, Hoppy Memes. So you really don't know which one to choose. And if you come down, you can just keep seeing different Hoppies. Look, this one, where did it go? Look, that one's a completely different Hoppy. Look at that one. So anyways, but so we have the actual contract address. We're gonna paste it into deck screener here. There's enough information on Hoppy. It's actually, you can pull it up on TradingView too, but I enjoy pulling it up on deck screener because deck screener just gives you a lot of extra information. Okay, let's see. So we have it on market cap here. Okay, we are at 120 million right now. So that is going crazy. It was around 119 yesterday when I was taking a look at it, and I'm like, ooh. Right now, my Hoppy bag is looking proper. I mean, it's looking really nice. It's one of those things where I used to hear stories during the bear market where points like this, where you're like, should you sell or not? Okay, that's the big question of the day. Should you sell or not? And it is still at a pretty good market cap size where you can buy in, and if it does decide to run to become a $500,000 token or $1 billion token, which I do think that Hoppy does have the ability to become, there is enough room for it to grow where you still could get some good gains. And I mean, I'm thinking about it though. I might just go ahead and sell and kind of wait for it. I mean, but it's not. It's a different type of a market right now, because if I was to sell here, me myself, I would be sitting around waiting for it to do one of these. Hoping it got back down here, which is, I mean, this is just not, I mean, it's crypto. It could happen. But at the same time, it's just not the type of market right now to see a token like Hoppy come down like that. You know what I mean? I mean, hey, it could happen. I mean, we haven't seen it come back down this low since what, October the 8th, and it was at about 55 million. So it's ran from 55 million at the beginning of October. It actually ran all the way up to 128 million, just kind of slightly pulled back some. So this is actually going to be the 4-hour chart. Hold on, let me go ahead and let's just take a small look really quick. Let's pull up the 1 week chart. Delete all these drawings. Oh wow. Okay. But you know, I just been watching, I'm actually just looking and learning, pretty much. And this is what it's looking like on the weekly. Look at this weekly candle. I mean, man, you know, it's at that pivotal level where I guess some say, see, like I said probably in a bunch of my other videos, some say, since it has ran up, what? Let's see how far Hoppy's gone. So since about September the 9th, it's went up about 5.5x. So some would say, take profit. Take profits along the way. But then, like I told y'all before, you know, I actually have, well, I came into this game, into the crypto game, with the hodler mentality, you know what I mean? Because those are the videos, the YouTube videos that I used to watch in the beginning. That's all they told you was, you know, buy the token, hold, you know, hold, you know, hold on for dear life, hold. So the hodl has really stuck with me, and it really does work, okay? But I will tell you, like I said, I've been in this market now for probably about 3-4 years, something like that. Wait, no, it's been 4 years. So, like I said, I came in at the tail end of the last bull market. Okay, I got in right before Dogecoin popped. Right before Dogecoin started going crazy. Dogecoin, I ended up buying some Dogecoin, and it ended up shooting to the moon. So I got a good chance of, you know, I got to get in on the Dogecoin era. But aside from that, out of the, like, pretty much I'm going to just say like 90% of the damn tokens that I purchased during the bear market pretty much have just wiped, you know, because I was always into meme coins. I seen utility tokens, but I just didn't understand. You know, crypto is not something that you get into and then you start understanding next month. You know, you actually, you know, there's not, I mean, if it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't be as far as I am right now. You know, so the biggest question that you have of the day is this a good time to sell or hold on? You know, as you can look down here, someone just jumped out with a $14,000 sell. Okay, so people are still here. People are jumping out, taking some profits. I'm surprised more people haven't took off. So most likely, from looking at the charts down here, from looking at the order book, you can kind of see that there are more people who are holding on to this token instead of just physically like day trading it and things like that. More, they are trading it, you know, because the volume is there, but it's like you can tell that people are just kind of hodling the token. Okay, so it's some decisions that we're gonna have to make, you know, whether we're going to sell or hold on to it. I already actually sold once. I think I got out a Hoppy, maybe, I'm gonna say maybe somewhere around here, not really too sure, but I just left you know, I just left a moon bag in there, and the moon bag is now mooning. And it's to that point where you're like, wow, I should have bought more. But I am really hopeful on Hoppy. Hoppy is really showing us something out here, all right? So the next token that I wanted to look at is, actually, it's SHIB. Oh, Shiba Inu. Okay? Shiba Inu has been on an uptrend. Okay? It's a slow uptrend, but it's an uptrend. It kind of wicked down to the 401601 mark around the beginning of October. And once again, this is going to be the 4-hour chart. But once again, somewhere around the early October, this is around the 6th, this is around the 3rd. And when we're looking over here, is going to be around late September, where that big run came. It had a very nice run. So if you were able to accumulate down here within that 1425 area around here, you were able to take advantage of that run, and you probably had a really good run. Okay, but SHIB's looking really good. Some are calling it a grandpa token. It was getting talked about yesterday about being a grandpa token, and why do I still hold it? Well, it's almost like the third or fourth, probably like the second or third meme coin that I actually ever bought, and I've just been holding on to it. You know, this is a pretty good, like, I mean, we're gonna see if it ends up revisiting our line here, which is gonna be around that 1806 mark, 1791 mark, and then after that it should take off. But I wonder, I don't really expect too much from SHIB anyway. I don't expect anything but, I mean, 2 to 6x. That's my guess. Okay, 2 to 6x, and then I'm probably gonna be done. I'm probably gonna get out. I've been holding SHIB for years, and you know, it's one of those situations where, you know, you just didn't buy enough, you know. But I have pulled all profit, you know, out of SHIB. I've gotten some very nice profit out of SHIB, and you know, I've just been holding them, bag holder, and SHIB is looking pretty good right now. We're at 4 zeros, 1876. And SHIB pretty much moves with Bitcoin. Now that's something else that I was looking at too, like with Hoppy. What I noticed, Hoppy moves with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin has a spike, Hoppy has a spike. Okay, so that's a good thing. With this being Bitcoin season still, man, you know, and Hoppy is moving along with Bitcoin, might be able to see some pretty good gains. I'm not a financial advisor or nothing. I barely even know what the hell I'm talking about, but it sounds good. And I'm telling you, if it does do what it does do, what I think that it's going to do, we're going to be in for some real good profits, though. But, you know, it's just looking pretty good. We're just kind of keeping our eye on the market. You guys kind of let me know what you guys think about SHIB. You guys holding any SHIB still? You guys holding any Hoppy? Are you guys going to accumulate any more Hoppy? That's another good question. You know, you're going to accumulate some more Hoppy. Me, I don't really know. You know, it's one of those things where I believe in Hoppy. I believe that Hoppy is going to run. But then it's like, by seeing it visually, you know, you're just like, you know, it's kind of high right now. You know, it's up here. It's at 117 mil market cap. I mean, in the fair scheme of things, that is pretty low. But you're like, you know, I'm thinking people are going to start pulling back. I mean, people are going to start selling. So I'm imagining that it's going to do something like this, you know, the wah, and probably work its way back down to that 20 mil mark. You know what I mean? Maybe even get down to that, maybe the 52 mil mark, or touch that 80 mil mark. So why would I want to sit here and accumulate right here, you know, when I'm sitting here thinking, because I know meme coins, you know what I mean, but this Hoppy is not your original meme coin. It's not just a regular beat down Kabuso, Inu, or whatever in the hell, you know, some of these damn meme coins are named, that come in the game and do something like this and then pull out and go, whoa, and then go flat, some horrible drawing, and then go flat. So it has been staying in the game. Hoppy had an awesome run over here, and then it kind of cooled off, and of course, like I said, we got scared, so I ended up getting out. But it's looking pretty good though. So Hoppy, I think Hoppy is gonna run as soon as Bitcoin really starts running. I think Hoppy is gonna run from this point. I don't know how far it's gonna go. I would like to know, wish I knew. I could see, because of the interest and all that behind Hoppy, I could see, you know, let's see, this is, I could see Hoppy running. Where? I don't know, but I could see it running. But you guys just let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Keep your eyes on these charts, And there's money to be made everywhere. Don't even spook yourself too much. If you do decide to get into Hoppy right now, not a financial advisor or whatever, but it is a little spooky. But considering the market that we're in, I mean, we might end up getting some more, maybe another pullback before things start going crazy. But you know what? I'm not really too sure. Supposedly 2025 is supposed to be popping. That's supposed to be when everything's going to go crazy. But no one knows. And that's all just guesstimation. You know what I mean? Pretty much. And, if you think that getting in right here is a little too risky, I understand, because getting in here, and if it pulls back, you're now in the negative, damn near 20-30%, something like that. You're down about 80%. So just say it does have another 80% drop. You bought up here and it drops to 80%, you're screwed. Okay? I mean, you could always accumulate down here if it jumps down to that 20 mil mark, but who's to say that Hoppy's going to go back up? We don't really know. This is crypto, baby. You know what I mean? But like I said, you guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what's going on. I'm out.